What's up?
Are you free tonight?
I wish, but I have to write this stupid college essay.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, what are you up to?
Nothing much. Nobody's home right now.
Again?
Yeah,
My mom's in New York and my dad's out working late.
Yeah, screw it. I'm not gonna get in anyways.
So you're coming?
Yeah. See ya.
See you soon.
Devin.
Yeah.
Nice. Come on in. All right, where are we heading?
Just over to my friend's house.
Over in East Grove.
Yeah.
Pretty nice neighborhood.
I wouldn't go as far as calling it nice.
So you guys got big plans tonight?
Not really. We're just gonna Netflix and chill.
Girlfriend?
Nah. She's just a side chick.
All right.
Yeah, I mean, I could do better, but her parents are never home, so it works out.
Never home, huh? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and this one time, though, her dad got home early, and on my way out, I shattered this vase.
Vase, huh?
Yeah, it was a pretty cheap vase, though.
Yeah, well, vases can be pretty expensive.
Yeah, but it was a pretty ugly vase.
Yeah, well, some vases, they cost a lot.
Yeah? Hello? Chill out, I'll be there soon.
I probably shouldn't talk to her like that.
It doesn't matter, like I said, she's just a side chick.
All right. 4297 Madden Street. There you go.
Thanks. And just a tip, don't talk to your passengers as much.
I'm glad you decided to come.
It was an easy choice. What's this?
Oh, that's my grandmother.
Turn off.
What you guys doing?
Dude, what the hell?
Dad!
Dad? That's my Uber driver. Oh shit.
Is this a side chick?
Side chick?
Side chick? What? No, not side chick.
And is this what you do when I'm not home? You just invite boys over and make out on my couch.
Dad, stop freaking out!
I have every right to freak out. This is ridiculous. You should have heard what this peasant was saying about you in the car.
Peasant?
Peasant!
Dad!
And the vase? Come on, we bought that in Peru.
Stop it!
You know what? I think I'm just gonna head home.
That son of a bitch took out Grandma.
Your bride is here.